Hello children. In today's science lesson, we're going to be building our electrical circuit that's going to provide us with a light for the top of our lighthouses that we're building in DT. So we're going to be combining our DT and our science in our finished models. And today I'll take you step by step through how to build your electrical circuit. The first thing you're going to have to do is find the equipment for today's lesson, which should be in the packs that mummies and daddies have collected from school. And in your pack, you should have one of these, which is a bulb holder, a little bulb. Be careful, children, because obviously that's glass at the top. Okay, so be careful when handling the bulb. You also need your battery, which is a AA battery. And of course, children, remembering our lesson on mains and battery power, we know that electricity is stored in this battery. So it's a power source, which is going to be used to light our bulb for the top of our working lighthouse. Children, don't forget to have a close look so that you can find the positive and the negative sign. The positive and the negative sign, you're going to continue to know where those are later on in this lesson. Okay, you also need to find your battery holder, which looks like this, and it's got two cables, a black cable and a red cable, a wire coming out of each end. The wires are covered in plastic for an important reason. I wonder if you can find out why these wires are covered in plastic and let me know. But at the end, you'll see a tiny piece of exposed wire, and that's important at the end of the red wire and the black wire. And finally, you should have two of these, two crocodile clips or wires with crocodile clips at either end. So I've got two green wires, two green wires. Yours might be a different colour. Okay, that doesn't matter. The colour of them doesn't matter. It's the fact that there's a wire running through inside that plastic and there's a crocodile clip on either end. Do you know why they're called crocodile clips? If you squeeze one, okay, let me see. If you squeeze one, can you see how it opens and closes? Look, open and close, open and close, to pinch the top really carefully here under that plastic cover. Okay, and what you should notice is that it's got some, the clip's got some teeth, a bit like a crocodile's jaw. Look, that's why they're called crocodile clips. They're important for attaching to each part of our electrical circuit. So when we make an electrical circuit, we're allowing electricity to flow through those wires, and the power from the battery will light up the bulb. So once you've got all your equipment and you've had a good look at it, okay, you'll notice that the bulb and the bulb holder, you can screw in like so. Okay, so you need to screw gently, remember it's glass, the bulb into the bulb holder. Pop that to one side. So that's step one. Pop your bulb carefully into your bulb holder. And then pick up your battery holder. Have a close look on the inside and see if you can find the positive and negative signs, the plus and the minus sign, and match them up with the plus and the minus sign on the battery. Okay, and you've got a spring here that you need to push down on. So to fit your battery, you need to push it against that spring. Do you see? It's going up and down. Push it and click it into the battery holder like so. So your bulb's in the bulb holder and your battery's in the battery holder. What do we do next? Well, we take one of our crocodile clips, okay, and I'll start with the battery, the red cable, and the exposed bit of wire at the end I'm going to attach to one of my crocodile clips. It's nice and tight, look. Okay, and leave the other end, okay, free for the moment. Then take my second crocodile clip and attach a second wire rather with the crocodile clips and attach a crocodile clip to the exposed wire at the end of the black cable. Again, leave the other crocodile clip at the other end free at the moment. So children, we've now joined up the battery in the battery holder to two of our two wires, one crocodile clip at each end. So we've now got two crocodile clips at the other ends of the wires. We're going to connect those to the bulb holder. Now, because electricity flows really well through metal, we're going to attach it to the metal screw. So we're going to clip the crocodile clip onto one metal screw, and we still haven't completed the circuit, but when we do, the bulb should light up because the energy from the battery should flow around through the wires, okay, through and into the bulb. Let's have a little look. Okay, so even if I touch metal to metal, if I've connected everything correctly, the bulb should light. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Yes! Okay, so now I can attach it and I have my bulb for the top of my lighthouse working. Well done, children, if you've managed to do that too. Okay, but we want to save the energy in the battery for our lighthouse, don't we? So we need to disconnect, and you have to take one off, okay, because now the circuit is no longer complete. Okay, disconnect. I would disconnect both, right, and pop the equipment away safely somewhere. But before you do that, I want you to draw a diagram, okay? So that's a picture of your complete circuit. Okay, so I want you to draw a diagram of your complete circuit, and I want you to label each item using the correct scientific vocabulary. So you need to label the bulb, and the bulb holder, and the battery holder, and the wires, and the crocodile clips. Can you do that for me now, children? A diagram of your complete circuit. See if you can draw each of those component parts. Okay, and then, as I say, pop the equipment away somewhere safe so you're ready to add it to your lighthouse model once you have obviously completed the DT part of the project. Okay, thank you, children.